Hey everyone, welcome back to Alt Buzz, your ultimate destination for all things tech and photography. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison that a lot of you have been asking for. It's the battle of the Leica M11 and the Leica M11-D. These two iconic cameras offer a lot, but which one is the perfect fit for you? Well, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea. Also, before we dive in, I'm thrilled to announce that Alt Buzz now has channel memberships. We've got two exciting levels for you. For just $4.99, you can become a core member with perks like loyalty badges, priority replies to your comments, early access to my new videos, and more. And if you want even more exclusive content, check out the Elite Partner tier at $9.99, where you'll also get shoutouts and member-only polls. So, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Let's get started. First things first, let's break down what these two cameras bring to the table. The Leica M11 and M11-D are both part of Leica's legendary M series, known for their exceptional image quality, build, and performance. The M11-D is Leica's more recent innovation, stripping away the rear LCD screen for a pure, classic shooting experience, similar to how the M10-D did. On the other hand, the Leica M11 continues with a more modern approach, keeping the high-resolution LCD screen on the back, giving you a mix of both classic rangefinder aesthetics and modern digital convenience. So, the big question is, do you need that display? Or are you someone who prefers a more traditional, tactile feel without distractions? Stick around, because we'll explore everything from image quality to usability to help you figure it out. Let's talk about build and design, because that's one of the key differences between the M11 and the M11-D. The Leica M11 features the classic Leica design with that all-metal body and brass top plate, giving it that iconic, robust feel. It weighs around 640 grams, and its dimensions make it compact yet substantial in hand. It has a 3-inch touchscreen display, which provides instant access to your photos and menu settings. Now, when we look at the Leica M11-D, it's all about minimalism. Leica has removed the rear LCD screen entirely, leaving only the essentials. Instead, you get a dedicated ISO dial on the back, reminiscent of film cameras. It weighs slightly less at 600 grams, and the matte black finish gives it a more discreet look. It's perfect for photographers who want that old-school feel, eliminating distractions and focusing purely on capturing the moment. Which one wins here? Well, it really depends on what you want. If you love checking your shots instantly or tweaking settings via a touchscreen, the M11 is the clear winner. But if you crave a more stripped-down, analog-like experience, the M11- could be your dream camera. Now let's get into the image quality, because no matter the design, the core of any camera is how it captures photos. Both cameras share the same 60-megapixel full-frame sensor, which offers stunning resolution and detail. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or street photography, you'll get that signature Leica look: sharp, vibrant, and incredibly detailed images with excellent color rendering. But here's where things differ slightly. The Leica M11 has that LCD screen on the back, which gives you immediate feedback on your shots. This can be helpful in adjusting settings on the fly to get that perfect shot. Plus, it has live view, so if you're in a tricky lighting situation, you can preview how the final image will look before you press the shutter. The M11-, on the other hand, really leans into the idea of shooting purely based on instinct and experience. Without a screen, you won't be able to see the images until you transfer them to your computer or smartphone. This may appeal to photographers who want to focus entirely on the moment without being distracted by the digital side of things. Who takes the crown here? Both cameras produce incredible images, but if you prefer instant feedback and the flexibility of digital previews, the Leica M11 is the better choice. However, if you value purity of shooting, the M11-D offers a more immersive, deliberate experience. Let's move on to performance, where both the M11 and M11-D shine in their own way. The Leica M11 is packed with state-of-the-art features. You've got multi-resolution capability, meaning you can switch between 60, 36, and 18 megapixel modes for different shooting situations. This helps if you want to save storage or speed up processing while still maintaining the Leica image quality. It also has a high-capacity battery, providing you with around 700 shots on a full charge, which is more than enough for a day's shoot. On the other hand, the M11-D offers a simpler experience. It doesn't have multi-resolution capability, but it comes with Leica's classic features like rangefinder focusing. One thing that makes the M11-D stand out is its dedicated exposure compensation dial, which many photographers love for its ease of use and tactile feel. Both cameras have Maestro 3 image processors, meaning performance in terms of speed and image processing is nearly identical. But the M11's touchscreen and more advanced interface give it a slight edge for modern workflows. Now, for usability, the M11 is definitely more feature-packed. It's a camera that gives you both the traditional rangefinder experience and the convenience of a modern digital camera. You have the option of using the touchscreen, and there's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to transfer images straight to your phone or tablet. The Leica M11-D, though, is all about simplicity. With no screen and no frills, it's designed for those who want to focus purely on the craft of photography. You won't have the convenience of checking your photos or making on-the-spot adjustments, but for some, that's exactly the point. It forces you to trust your instincts and develop a more intimate connection with your camera. So, which one is better? If you're someone who likes a more fluid workflow with digital conveniences, the Leica M11 is a clear winner. But if you're all about the process and want to disconnect from the digital noise, the M11-D is hard to beat for its authenticity and focus. So, which one is for you? If you love modern convenience, want instant feedback, and prefer having all the tools at your fingertips, the Leica M11 is your go-to camera. But if you're after a minimalist, distraction-free shooting experience and want a deeper connection with the craft, the Leica M11-D is the one for you. Before we wrap things up, a quick reminder to check out our channel memberships if you want access to exclusive perks like early video access, members-only chats, and more. It's a great way to support the channel and keep us bringing you top-tier content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this comparison. Let us know in the comments which camera you think suits your style. Until next time, happy shooting.